This guy's not a fun opponent. Mark Timmermans. I think he plays f5. I don't know why I went for this. I knew he played f5. Okay, this is the move. Okay, so here we go again with some preparation. This is fine. I think white, white is obviously better here. Okay, hopefully he's out of his prep. Knight g5, rook f8, knight d5. Okay, this has to be the move. This has to be the move. Yeah, f4. This is the idea I'm familiar with. Okay, goes h6. Okay, let's go back. And then if he takes, I think this has to be really good for white. Just has to be. I mean, I could have played bishop takes f4 also, but then he had maybe queen c6. Okay, he's d5. I didn't see this move, but shouldn't change that much. You have a lot of possibilities. Bishop c5, king h1. Yeah, he's in trouble here, I think. If c6, I have 97 and I win a piece. Check here. Check takes. Takes here. This is what I calculated. I think it's game over. Because queen g6 is next. Yeah, there's just nothing you can do. That's it. I mean, I don't see a move for him. If he takes it, I fork. If he moves anywhere else, I just go queen g6, king d8, e7, and I win everything. That was a nice game. And I'll get a bit of an extended break. He just resigns. It's over.